Is Windows failing to load because of the Free Library DLL? I'm Sophie Chen, a senior Windows support engineer. I've diagnosed the corruption and have the fix ready. For professional-grade free library maintenance, follow the diagnostic link in the description. This is the Free Library, a specialized library found in specific software ports that require a non-standard memory deallocation logic, wrapping the C-free function. It is often used to prevent memory leaks in legacy software running on modern Windows. If missing, the application may run briefly, but will eventually crash due to a memory access violation. 0x005. Let's get to work. We'll start with the most common fix for this specific error. Because Free Library DLL is tied to the localized licensing orchestration runtime inside a specific application standard, Windows fixes will not help, and you must use the official installer for your primary program to restore the file. If the installer was unable to bridge the gap, we will move to phase 2 of our diagnostic to refresh the system's memory. If your system has been running for an extended period, a reboot might be necessary to resync your background processes and clear any temporary locks on the free library file. To avoid losing your place during the restart, bookmark this page now, or hit the like button to save this video to your library for easy access later. Next, we'll move beyond the basics. If your screen hasn't changed after the restart, follow me to step 3. If you need to pause the video while your folders load, don't hesitate. Sometimes a simple restart isn't enough for broken runtimes. Follow these steps to refresh the Redistributable files. First, go to Control Panel, then select Programs and Features. Second, find every Microsoft Visual C++ Redistributable 2005 through 2022. Third, right-click each and select Change, then select Repair. If that fails, download the latest all-in-one VC++ Redistributable package from Microsoft's website. Please note that for DLL files with numbers, the number tells you which version to repair. For example, 120 equals 2013. Before you proceed, let's touch on the essential safety standards for handling shared library files. A quick safety warning: never download files like Free Library DLL from unofficial websites. These files are often outdated or bundled with malware that can compromise your personal data and system security. To help keep your environment stable and prevent recurring errors, consider an automated maintenance utility for your system. To reduce uncertainty around library management, the diagnostic tool below includes informational content on synchronizing Free Library. I'm Sophie Chen. We are dedicated to providing clear, safe paths to PC repair, including free library dependencies. Subscribe to support our technical mission.